Hi nail queens, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be applying a matte dip top coat over my nails. This is unique because it's not gel and it's not nail polish matte top coat. It is specifically designed to be used with dip powder liquids. So the instructions state that you have to apply it over an activated nail. So that's what I'm doing right now, is applying activator to my nails, and I'm going to let it dry for a couple of minutes and then go in with this dip powder matte top coat. So this matte dip top coat is specifically from Triple D Dip Powder, and if you're ever unsure of the instructions, they are on the back of the bottle. That's what I love about her liquids, is they have instructions on the back on how to use the product. So right now I'm just going to apply a 2, maybe 3 stroke layer to my nails and then wait 30 seconds and apply another layer. In my experience, less is more, so try to apply less strokes because this does start drying pretty quickly. So if you do too many strokes, you notice your brush will start skipping on the nail because it's getting kind of stuck because the product is already drying. So like I said, less is more. Try to do less strokes, but cover most of your nail in each stroke because it is fast drying. So while that nail is drying, I'm going to finish the rest of these nails and do the same process I did before. I'm going to do 1 coat on each nail and then wait 30 seconds and then finalize my coat. You'll see here that I did my solids first, and then I'm going to do my glitter and foil next. That's just a personal preference. I want to work 2 nails at a time because this is a pretty fast drying product. Time is not really on my side, so I'm doing 2 nails at a time before I finish the process. So then I'm going to finish my glitter and my foil and then wait 30 seconds and do another layer. So I'm gonna let these dry, and this has dried for a couple minutes. It's not completely dry, so I think that this top coat, you should probably wait a total of 5 minutes before touching your nails and going on and doing other stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait a total of 5 minutes. I'm gonna time myself and come back. So 5 minutes have passed and these are completely dry. They're great. Like, there's nothing moving, there's no fingerprint indents. I think this is cool. So I love this top coat, and I love that it is not gel because I personally have developed an allergic reaction to literally every matte gel top coat that I have tried out there. So I think this is incredible that there's a dip powder option that's going to be durable. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!